Right. I'm just want to show you how to create your gallery. So, like the moment you click on create, like I said, it will take you to where you can upload your image and you can just do what you have been doing before. Just have it here. Sometimes it's handy. You can always come back here to use it. But let this be something that can represent your products, something that will speak even when you are not there. And under the gallery, you can add up to 20, 40, 40 images, URL, and all that under your gallery. How sweet is that? So the next thing is testimonial. So right, this is where your testimonial will appear. Or maybe you want to create a testimonial, maybe like people that are doing online business now. Maybe you have some testimonial that you screenshot, what people say concerning your products. If you have it, you can screenshot it and just add it here. All right, these are the things that will sell your product. Okay, maybe they give you 5-star review, maybe they send the messages, just screenshot it like image and you can add it here. That is very, very good if you want, a social proof concerning what you do. So the next one is QR code. So when you get to this level, everything is already set and you can download this and send it to people, or you can just share it. Okay, this will represent your business. Like anybody that received this will practically receive everything you have listed under your gmaxcard. Okay, so you can copy it, share it, allow people to scan it. Once they scan it, they have access to all your business information, your contacts, your services, everything you do. That is a fantastic thing to do. And under the manage order, here you want to come and just check if you are make sales. If you are somebody that sells online, you want to come under here and check it. Okay, any sales that come in within, you understand, any sales that come in will appear here. Then this is your sales report. You can just go on and open all this one. There's nothing there. Manage payment. Say this, you basically want to go under sales report. Okay, like I've been showing you, just come down under sales report and you will see manage payments, and you want to click on manage payment and this will open this window. Once you click on manage payment, it will open this window and you want to follow suit. Okay, you might have create your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account, you can get in touch with you can set it up, and if you don't know how to add it here, you can get in touch with gmaxcard customer service, and but it's pretty straightforward. Okay, just create your Stripe account. Once you create your Stripe account, you will want to copy, just follow this, how to get your API key. That's all you need to copy. Once you create your Stripe account, you just want to copy the API key and you will publish it here. The secret key, you will publish it here. How to do that is clearly stated there. You just want to go to the Stripe dashboard and log in to your account, navigate to developer, then you will see API key from the left sidebar. You just want to read it, copy your publishable key, then just follow suit, just copy it, okay, and paste it here. The publishable key will be, you will paste it here, the secret key will be pasted here, and after that you just want to save it. Okay, remember Stripe is where you had all your bank details, all that, the bank details, maybe PayPal, anywhere you want to receive your money, you can create that on that is Stripe. Okay, so once that is done, this API key is what you will copy and you will put it under your API key in your gmaxcard. All right, and if you're struggling to do that, you can get in touch with their customer service. They might be able to talk you through how to do it, but it's pretty straightforward. Once you create your Stripe account, just follow suit and just copy all the necessary key and just paste it here, and that is it. From there you can receive money directly to your bank account through your gmaxcard. Okay, right here I just want to show you where you can see any capture card. One of the features gmaxcard is you can actually capture a paper card. How do I mean? If you have any business card or somebody give you a business card that is a paper card, you can actually capture it. This is applicable through the app. So if you want to capture any business card, like if anybody is giving you their own traditional business card, you can just take the picture through gmaxcard mobile app, and all the information in that business card, that is the business paper card, will be captured into your gmaxcard. I think this feature here is amazing. It's really amazing. Let's say you meet somebody now, you don't need to collect their paper card. You can just take the picture of it via GMAS card app, and all the information, including their number, their mobile, their email, everything in that card will be captured and it will be stored into your GMAS card. How cool is that? So for you to now locate it, maybe you've collected a lot of card and you're trying to locate where it is. Okay, so you just want to come under payments, manage payments, and you will see capture card. Okay, once you click on the capture card, it will open this and you will see a lot of card there. This is one I have to cover the information. All right, so this is one card that it has been captured. So as many card that you captured, it will be saved here. All right, how cool is that? So another thing I want to show you is the bookmark. Anything you bookmark, you just have to click on the bookmark and you can see it here. Analyze all the transaction on behind the scene, so you can access that here. Okay, so these are the things that GMAS card offer. Just click on the analytics and you will see it there. Then the control, you want to just click, take your time, go through it. Okay, just go through it, familiarize yourself with it, and activate cards. Okay, so once you have your card, you want to activate your card. Okay, if you see now it shows pending. All right, so anytime you get a new card, you want to come under here first and activate the card. So you can just click on activated. Okay, and the card will be activated. Okay, so take your time to familiarize yourself with all the tools that is here that you can use to your own advantage. Okay, just make sure you familiarize yourself with it. I think I've been able to I've been able to cover the most important parts of this card. So